I told you that in the near future you could change your body? Maybe you could have a taller height, a shorter height even, if you want. Different eye color, different skin color. What if I told you that you could change these same characteristics in your child? Have them have a different eye color, a different skin color, a higher IQ, immunity to certain diseases. Well, a new technology called CRISPR-Cas9, a genetic engineering technology, it allows for humans like us to go in and to change certain genes that are in our own body. And with this technology, we have the ability to rewrite the future. We have the ability to rewrite our own genetic code. And with that, we are open to a whole new world of opportunity, but also a whole new world of chaos if not used properly. CRISPR, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeat, is a naturally occurring, it was part of a naturally occurring genome editing process in bacteria, where this bacteria would go ahead and it would remember a certain sequence of DNA, and as the bacteria remembers that certain sequence of DNA, is able to then find it later, and the enzyme called Cas9, or another enzyme, would be able to cut it at certain points. This bacteria wasn't really used for anything until around 2012, where a breakthrough happened where CRISPR can now be reprogrammed to target certain DNAs, and that opened the door to a whole new world of gene editing. What is CRISPR used for right now? Well, it's used as part of our food and agriculture, and in 2020, news has a report that CRISPR has been used to try to attempt to cure a certain form of blindness, literally having the potential to make people who are blind able to see. And that has huge repercussions for the future. CRISPR has already been used in our agriculture. The USDA has approved certain plants that have been bred using CRISPR, calling it almost the same as the old-fashioned way of selective breeding. Gene editing through CRISPR has only accelerated the process. So now even the foods that you eat can also have been a product of CRISPR. CRISPR is now being used a lot in our modern society for a lot of things, from creating transplant organs. As you know, organ transplant is a very long, lengthy process for people on the organ transplant list, because there are a lot of people who need organs, but there are not a lot of people who could provide. But with CRISPR, organs could be produced in a lab, and CRISPR helps with that process. CRISPR also has the ability to destroy super bugs that are resistant to antibiotics, because antibiotics have been used to treat diseases in our system in human beings for a while. But when these diseases, these superbugs come back, they come back resistant, so that these same antibiotics cannot be used over and over again. But with CRISPR, these bugs can be programmed to eat their own genes and destroy them their own selves. So what does CRISPR mean for us? Our foods that we eat have already been CRISPRized. Certain treatments of cancer and other diseases can also be treatments that are processed through CRISPR. So we are to expect CRISPR as being one of the daily tools, at least in the science and medical fields, to help us treat agriculture, treat human beings, treat animals, even treat the earth and the human race. But as CRISPR can also be used as our saving grace, it can also be our inherent downfall if we misuse this technology. We still don't know the side effects of long-term use of CRISPR. We still don't know the side effects of cutting certain strands of DNA for now and into the future. So we still have to proceed with caution.